Did you try to make money online before but did not get success? Then no need to worry anymore. Here I'm sharing 20 effective ways to earn money on the internet. Number 1. Make money with online surveys. Here you can make money by completing small surveys, which takes 5 minutes to 20 minutes depending on the requirement of a particular company. Number 2. Earn money with blogging. It starts with a hobby, interest and passion, and soon blogging becomes a career option for many bloggers. There are 2 ways to start a blog. You can either create a blog through WordPress or Tumblr, which requires no investment, or go for a self-hosted blog. You may monetize the blogs through ads, product reviews, and so on. Number 3. Earn with affiliate marketing. If you're serious about earning money online and you are a hard-working guy who wants to make big income, then affiliate marketing is for you. There is more scope for affiliate marketing than before because of the high growth of online shopping. In affiliate marketing, you're simply helping customers to buy the right product by creating a simple website, and in return, you can earn 4% to 20% commission. Number 4. Become a freelancer. Freelancing is another popular way to make money after blogging and affiliate marketing. As a freelancer, you can work with small or big companies on a temporary basis and provide them your services. Freelancers can make $500 to $2,000 and more per month, depending on the type of freelance jobs you will do for your client. Number 5. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is like a personal assistant who can earn money by working online for someone without being physically present. He can do a variety of tasks like taking care of websites, counseling, writing and proofreading, publishing content, marketing, coding, website and app development, research, and so on. There are dozens of companies where you can sign up for virtual assistant work. Number 6. Become a YouTuber. YouTube is one of the hottest trends in earning money online. You can start your YouTube channel, upload some quality videos, and then become a YouTube partner to make money online on YouTube. Number 7. Become an online seller. There are 2 ways to sell anything online. Either you can create your own website and sell your products from your website, or become a seller on any famous shopping portal like Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, Snapdeal, and so on. The second option is much better. You will get existing customers of these popular portals. Number 8. Domain trader. Domain trading is another high-profit business you can do online, but here you need some investment for buying the domain. You can buy domains from GoDaddy or other domain registrar for less than $10 and sell them in the future to the needy person for hundreds of dollars. Number 9. Website flipping. Like domain trading, website flipping is also a hot business to earn money online. You have to create a website, work on it for 3 to 6 months or more so that you can start making money from the website. After earning for 2 or 3 months, you can put that site on auction. You can easily get 15 to 20 times the price of your monthly earnings from that website. Number 10. Provide training and consultancy. There is a big scope of earning money online if you have some good skills that people need. Like you can provide training on spoken English, computer courses, any technical course, feng shui, medical treatment, and any other thing. Number 11. Stock and forex trading. Stock trading and forex trading is a very lucrative way to make money for those who have a good idea of the market. There are a number of free and paid courses available on the internet that can train you for online trading. It's risky to enter into this market without sufficient knowledge. Number 12. Sell photos online. This is another use of your smartphone. You can take high-quality images of nature, places, people, things, dishes, homes, and so on, and sell them online. There are a number of big sites where you can submit your photos. Whenever some customer wants to purchase your photos, you will get paid as per the price you fix. Number 13. Earn money from your smartphone. There are various smartphone apps that can pay you some extra income by completing some simple tasks on your smartphone. There are at least 20 money-making apps that, if you install in your smartphone, can give you an extra income of $200 to $300. You have to take simple surveys, complete offers by sign up on other websites, play games, watch videos, and so on. Number 14. Sell old stuff. I'm sure there may be a number of things in your home that are lying unused for months, and if you take little effort, you can earn some good money. You just need to do two things. That is, find out all the items that you are no longer using, take high-quality photos of these items from different angles, and list these items on OLX and eBay for sale. Number 15. Kindle eBook. If writing books interests you, an option you have is to self-publish ebooks and paperbacks with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. Publishing takes less than 5 minutes, and your book appears on Kindle stores worldwide within 24 to 48 hours. One can earn up to 70% royalty on sales to customers in the US, Canada, UK, Germany, India, France, Italy, Spain, and so on. Number 16. Microworking. There are more ways that can help you make extra income by working part-time. You can easily make $200 to $300 a month by doing simple tasks on different sites. Number 17. Writing job. Writing is a better way to earn money on the internet through writing different types of content. You can write for blogs, companies, institutions, individual people, and so on. Different types of writers get paid differently. Normally, people get paid $5 to $20 or more for writing 500 words of content. Number 18. Start your own website. There is enough material available online to help create your own website. Once ready to service the visitors with the relevant content, sign up for Google AdSense, which, when appears on your website and is clicked by visitors, helps you make money. The more traffic you get on your website, the more potential for higher earnings. Number 19. Online tutoring. If you're an expert in a particular subject, you can earn money by tutoring people online. Online tutoring provides a means to connect online with students of all ages across the country to provide homework help and tutoring in the subjects for which you have demonstrated expertise. Number 20. Data entry. Although this line of work is seriously threatened by automation, there are still plenty of data entry jobs available. It is one of the simplest jobs you can do online, and it requires no special skills. You just have to have a computer, internet connection, fast typing skills, and the ability to pay attention to details. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.